Hey, this equation looks simple, right? Because when we divide this 2 by this 2, that is, we multiply fraction by a number, it means we cancel this 1. And that gives us what? 1. This division here, and then we have this 6 here. And then 6 divided by 1 equal to 6. But this answer is not correct. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, multiplication and division are in the same level. We evaluate from left to right. From the left, division came first. So we are going to do the division before we do the multiplication. Now, to do the division, we have 6 divided by 1 over 2. Now, 6 divided by 1 over 2, we have to use the KCF rule here. The K stands for keep, and then the C stands for change the division to multiplication, and the F stands for flip the 1 over 2 to 2 over 1. 6 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 12. Okay? Remember, we still have multiplication and we still have 2 here. So we multiply it by 2. And then 12 times 2 will give us 24. So the correct answer to this equation is just 24.